Good afternoon. My name is Kay Longest. I'm the judge. I'm the Justice of the Peace in Precinct 1 for Tom Green County. I just wanted to let you know a little bit about me, what I do, and what this office is all about, and just what goes on in this office. But first of all, before we get to that, I think it's imperative that the voters understand what my opponent is circulating about me. My opponent has wrongfully criticized this office and me concerning an employee's falsification of a timesheet. After determining that the employee falsified a timesheet, I did act swiftly and immediately and terminated that employee's employment with Tom Green County. And I also think that it's important to know that my opponent's husband is the one that actually hired this employee when he was with Tom Green County. And now that we got that out of the way, let me tell you some of the things that happen in this office and some of the things that I do. First of all, I've been in this office for nearly 4 years. And I'm running for re-election, and I would really like to be your Justice of the Peace for another 4 years. And some of the things that we do in this office is we do small claims up to $10,000. We also do debt claims up to $10,000. We do evictions. We do tenant remedies and repairs, and that's all in the small claims area. We also hold inquest into deaths that occur outside the hospital. We also hold inquest to someone that has been in the hospital for less than 24 hours. Also, if someone is in a car wreck and they die later on, or if they've been stabbed or shot and they do die later on, then we go back and we do the inquest at that time. And we order autopsies. We do death certificates, and that's a lot of the inquest that we do. We also magistrate defendants, which we call arraignments. It is really a magistration. And a magistrate, what they do is they read the defendants their rights, they tell them what they've been charged with, and they set their bonds. And we do this while they're in jail. And that way, when they get out of jail, or when they get out of jail, we know what their bonds are going to be, they know what their bonds are going to be, and they know exactly what they've been charged with. And one of the fun things that we get to do in this office is we get to marry people. I love that part of it because those are the ones that are always happy. Most of the time they're happy, so they should be happy. But that's one of the fun things that we get to do. Also in this office, we process the tickets that are issued by the Tom Green County Sheriff's Office and by the Texas Department of Public Safety. The tickets that are issued, we go to our respective precincts, and the ones that are written in Precinct 1, we process through this office. Excuse me. We also issue search and arrest warrants. If a police officer comes in and needs a search warrant, most of the time it's going to be for drugs. We will issue that search warrant. They go out and serve that search warrant, and most of the time someone is arrested during that search warrant. We also issue emergency detention orders, and that's on a request from a doctor, a social worker, or MHMR personnel. And those people are detained until it can be determined if they need to be detained a little bit further. Okay, and also my office is staffed by me and 2 clerks. And I've got 2 really good clerks, and I enjoy working with them, and they do a fabulous job. That's not all we do in this office, but that's some major things that we do in this office. And just like I say again, I would like to ask you for your vote on November the 4th. Early voting starts October the 20th, and I encourage you, if you cannot make it by November the 4th, to get out and vote early. Thank you very much for your time.